So, today we're diving into physiology, which is all about understanding how living organisms and their parts work. It's pretty fascinating when you start breaking it all down.
Yeah, absolutely. I think it's the foundation for understanding everything in biology. I mean, our body is like this incredibly complex machine, right? Everything has a function.
Exactly. And it's so amazing how each organ has a specific role. Like, take the heart, for example. It's not just pumping blood around, it's also regulating blood pressure, supplying oxygen, and removing waste.
That's true. And speaking of organs, the brain is another wild one. It's not just for thinking. It also controls things like movement, temperature regulation, and even things we don't consciously think about, like digestion.
Right? The autonomic nervous system takes care of all those automatic processes. It's crazy to think about how much is happening inside us without us even being aware of it.
It really is. And what's even more mind-blowing is how all of these systems work together. The respiratory system helps the circulatory system by providing oxygen, and then the digestive system breaks down food for energy. Everything's connected.
And that connection is so delicate too. Even small disruptions can cause problems. Like if the kidneys aren't filtering waste properly, that affects the whole system.
Yeah, and sometimes it's something we don't even notice until it's a bigger issue. I guess that's why it's so important to take care of our bodies. Everything needs to be in balance.
For sure, the body's homeostasis, keeping everything stable, is key. That's why things like exercise, sleep, and a balanced diet are so crucial.
It really all comes down to how well our systems can work together. So, what do you think is the most important system for overall health?
It's tough to pick just one, but I'd argue the cardiovascular system. Without a healthy heart and blood flow, nothing else can work properly. What about you?
I'd say the nervous system. It's like the command center for everything. Without it coordinating all the processes, nothing would happen in sync.
Good point. So much to think about when you look at the body this way. There's always something new to learn.